easiest sort of vehicle that will carry them. And the word went forth to every outpost of human existence. And they came. The Aries, the Gemins, the Virgos, the Scorpios, the Pisces, and the Sagittarius. In all, 220 ships, representing every colony, color, and creed in the star system. The human race might have one more chance, but first it would have to survive the Alliance, the elements, and the unknown dark and sinister threats that would lie ahead.